Hello everyone! Today I'm going to present you the essential kit for every beginner, but cruelty-free, and some of the products are even vegan. So continue watching. First, I have chosen a lot of cream products because I didn't want to add too much brushes. I only have these three ones. So one for the face, the Luxe Cheek Finish from Zoeva, for the bronzer and the foundation, and two for the eye, the Luxe Soft Definer, just to apply the eyeshadow, to do a crease, to blend, to put shadow underneath, and an eyeliner brush to put your eyeshadow at the root of the lashes or just to draw a beautiful line to have an eyeliner. These three brushes are from Zoeva. This is a cruelty-free brand. They also have a vegan range, but I think these brushes are not part of them. This is goat hair. They brush the goat to have some hair. This is an ethical method to do it. So personally I don't mind it. I didn't choose any regular foundation. I have just chosen this concealer from RMS. This is the Uncover Up in 000. This is my winter shade. RMS is a cruelty-free brand. They love natural products. These are really a great product even for your health, if I can say. This is a great product because this is really creamy and moisturizing. So for if you have a dry skin, but even I have a combination skin and I use it everywhere, even to cover my blemishes. That's also why I didn't choose any regular foundation, because I just cover my pimple with this one. I have chosen powder foundation as a powder, just to fix everything, to make everything look more flawless and to add a little bit of coverage and to fix my concealer. This is the compact foundation from Jeanne Iredale. This is also a cruelty-free brand with all natural products. I really like it. This mattify your skin. This is good when you have dry skin or oily skin. It's really a great universal product. I use the shade Ivory, but they have a lot more shade on their website or on All My Cream. For my bronzer, I have chosen the Natural Glow Loose Bronzer from Nude by Nature in Bondi Bronze. This is really natural, this is cruelty-free, of course. This is easy to use, I think. You just pick a little bit of product from the cap and you put it on your skin. Very natural, flawless. I really like it. For my blush, I have chosen this product from Tata Harper. This is the Volumizing Lip and Cheek Tint. I use it for many years now. I use it on my lips, on my cheeks. This is vegan and cruelty-free, this one. This is really a great brand, Tata Harper, for skincare especially. But they also have a little bit of makeup. This one is one of them. And this is one of my holy grail products. I really love it. For my highlighter, I chose the Living Luminizer from RMS 2. This is an old packaging. I'm going to buy a new one soon because it's pretty much empty now. This gives a subtle glow. It's glowy. I don't know how to explain it. It's my favorite highlighter. I use it for my no makeup days, or when I have a lot going on my eyes and I want a natural skin. For my eyebrows, I have only chosen one product, the Boy Brow from Glossier. Glossier is cruelty-free brand and they have some vegan product. This one is not. I don't have bushy eyebrows naturally, I can assure you, but I have a tip to make my brows look fuller with only this product. If you want to know my tip, continue watching until my tutorial. For my mascara, I choose the one from the French brand Rouje. This is a black one. This gives really long natural lashes, but you can build it up to have more like extension lashes. Easy to remove at night, vegan, cruelty-free. This is my favorite mascara. You have everything to do your everyday makeup, but if you want to pump it up for the night, I will recommend you two products. A lipstick. You can take any lipstick you want, red, orange, berry. When you want to do a lip, you need a lipstick more wow. I chose the classic red from the French brand Rouge. This is vegan and cruelty free, and this is in the shade Jeanne. This is my favorite red of all time. I really like it. Great pigmentation, great texture. The last product, if you want to pump up your game in makeup, would be a dark eyeshadow. I would probably recommend a dark brown, except if you have dark skin. You can go for black. Here I only have a black eyeshadow, but this brand is really great. I'm going to buy more from her. So this is the brand Emite Makeup, a Swedish brand. This is the black shadow in the shade Dams. I really like it, really pigmented, vegan and cruelty free. This is my favorite black eyeshadow from all time. You can do everything with it. You can do a smoky, you can smudge your lash line, you can do just like an eyeliner, you can push some color between your lashes. This is a must-have for me. If you want to know how I use this product, continue watching. First, I'm going to take my concealer and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. On my chin. Around my mouth. A little bit on my cheek here, on my blemishes there, and also on this one, between my eyebrows. Next step, I'm going to powder my face with my powder foundation. I'm taking my big brush and I'm just applying it everywhere, especially on the places where I've put on some concealer earlier. Next, I'm going to put on my bronzer. I'm using the same brush that I use for my foundation. I put a little bit from the cap and I tap the excess. Apply it over my cheek. I don't want any contouring, I just want to bronze my face. This is not mandatory. You can skip this step. With the excess on my brush, I put it on my eyelid. You can also use it directly as an eyeshadow. Now I'm going to do my blush. I apply it with one finger and then I blend it with another finger. I always put a little bit on my nose. If I look down, it's because I have my mirror. I have only one product, so I'm going to put it also on my lip. This is the best shade for the bitten lip. Now my brow. I only have one product, so I'm going to give you a tip to make fuller eyebrow because, as you can see, I don't have a bushy eyebrows naturally. So what I do is I take my eyebrow gel and I brush from the outside to the inside and then I comb them, put them in place. Next step, my highlighter on my cheekbone. In my inner corner. I apply it also with my finger because I don't have a lot of brushes, but that's okay. You can put a little bit on your eyelid too if you want, under my eyebrow. Now you can put your mascara on to have your daily look. If you want to do a little bit more, I'm going to use the other two products that I have. If you want to pump up your eyes, you can do with this eyeshadow liner, or you can do a little bit of a smoky line, or just put some black eyeshadow at the root of the lashes like that with my wing liner brush. I blend it just to make it more. I'm going to do a video about one eyeshadow but multiple looks, and then I take my other brush, and then I blend it just to have a smudge line because I'm going to put on a red lip, so I don't want too much on my eyes. Now mascara. for the red lip, I don't want any harsh line, I want more of a French lip look, more casual. So what I do if I'm taking my index, I just do this and then I'm going to tap on my lips. That's it, the video is done. Hope you enjoy. If you did, please like and subscribe, would be really great and nice if you want to support me. I will see you soon on Sunday.